Is blockchain being hacked? One of the biggest benefits to blockchain technology is that it was considered impossible to break. Each block is added to the ledger, and once it's added, it is set in stone. A complete and immutable chain that records data accurately. That is, until it gets hacked. If the blockchain gets hacked, all bets are off, and what was once a valuable commodity will be intensely scrutinized in order to discern its real value. Computer technology has always been plagued by GApps and systems that allow hackers access to blockchain, among many other things, sought to create technology that was impenetrable. The all-important question is, can the blockchain be hacked? And more specifically, has it already been hacked or is it being hacked right now? Is the blockchain already being hacked? Unfortunately, the answer is yes. Many cryptocurrencies are being attacked and hacked currently, with some more notably affected than others. In fact, a coordinated attack earlier this year allowed a massive theft to occur on the Ethereum Classic Ledger, which meant that duplicated transactions were being set up. These are known as double spend hacks that allow the same cryptocurrency to be spent twice at the same time. The hacker had exploited a popular crypto exchange, Coinbase, and was using a window to gain access and manipulate the entire Ethereum Classic blockchain. Although Coinbase reported that no user funds were lost, it is the Coinbase go-to option whenever they're hacked. The estimates are that it has cost over $1 million, which was probably settled back into accounts by Ethereum Classic or Coinbase to avoid liability. Now, what does hacking mean for crypto? Cryptocurrency is as susceptible to hacking as any other computer system. As it grows larger, it will attract more attacks. One of the main reasons Apple was known for not being hacked was because it didn't have enough products in circulation to make it an attractive proposition compared to Microsoft products, which were in abundance at the time. Nowadays, Apple is prone to hacking as much as any other tech giants and hackers that are out there. Now hackers find it lucrative enough to invest the time and energy to exploit Apple's systems. The very same is true with crypto. The more mainstream and sophisticated it becomes, the more it will find itself under attack. For developers, it is a big wake-up call that they will need to put robust security systems in place to protect its users. For exchanges, it suggests that they need to start investing heavily in security protocols. Otherwise, they will be footing big bills to protect user funds. Now, is this a bad thing? Initially, this might seem like a bad thing, especially if the technology that was heralded as unsinkable, much like the Titanic, is shown to indeed be sinkable. But without hackers, systems aren't refined and improved at the rate that they need to be for progress to occur. It means that developers will have to now use their brains to come up with something genuinely long-standing tech. With the impending launch of Facebook's Libra, regulatory scrutiny and hacking, it is time that existing cryptocurrency developers and users started putting on their serious faces. Problems are already happening. It will take a big effort and a great crypto community spirit to overcome them. Tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple will now need to really prove their value in this dynamic and fast-paced marketplace. Otherwise, a new player built on security could easily oust them. So is this a bad thing? Hackers? Well, just depends on how you look at it. The way I look at it, if there are hackers out there, there's something that's challenging the developers to make their systems better and actually quote-unquote unhackable. Having said that, this has been Iman Shafi from Exodia. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys think that is this a bad thing? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like these short daily videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because these videos are coming out every single day. So I'll see everyone tomorrow.